Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and the system. Do this now. Plug the Barracuda X dongle into a rear USB port. The closer, high current connection reduces dropouts and preserves peak volume. Once done, set Windows Master Volume to 100% and choose the headset as the default playback device. This forces full signal. Make sure Razer Audio or Synapse is running so settings apply. Finally, close apps that take exclusive control of audio, because they can limit output. Now adjust software gain and the equalizer to increase perceived loudness without distortion. In Razer Synapse or Razer Audio, raise device gain in small steps, about 3 to 6 dB, and test at medium volume to avoid clipping. Then apply a modest EQ boost around 1 to 4 kHz. Human hearing is sensitive there, so small increases add punch. Add a slight low shelf lift for fullness. If you see clipping, back the gain down and enable Windows loudness equalization as a safety net. Finish by validating the changes across typical listening scenarios. Play a 16-bit, 48 kHz test track and compare volume levels across sources, PC wireless, console, and wired via cable to confirm improvement. If you hear distortion, reduce software gain, slightly cut bright frequencies, or use the wired connection to isolate the issue. If volume remains low after these steps, update the headset firmware and dongle drivers. If that fails, swap dongles or contact support for hardware troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.